Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a satisfying haircut transformation video. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first girl, Crystal, she has lime green hair and she's basically getting ready to cut her hair off. So she's got the scissors. Whoa, that is a lot of hair. Like, you see your hair. I don't know if you guys have ever cut your hair before, but you see your hair and it's just like, wow. So this is a cute look. Oh, wait, she's going a step further. Okay. So I thought the pixie cut was pretty cute, but I guess she's decided to shave it all off. So she's taking her razor and she's going for it. So like, once you take that razor and you do like the middle part, like, that's it. There's no going back from that. So yeah, she's just got the razor buzz cut now. Alright, so the second clip is pretty much just of somebody doing an angled bob. Angled bobs are very popular, especially this fall season. They're a look that work for older women, younger women, pretty much anyone can rock them, and they will like help elevate your style just because they're such a like head turning, you know, look. And it's like when you see someone with short hair, it's just kind of like, wow, like, I don't know, it just elevates the whole overall look. And it's so easy to maintain as far as like looking stylish and like polished versus like a longer style. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion, but shorter cuts are always it for me. Alright, so oh, okay, so we're watching someone else now. And looks like he's cutting a bob. So we'll see if he's doing a standard bob, an angled bob, a lob. What will it be? What will it be? So far it just looks like a lob. So a lob is great if you want a hairstyle that's still kind of long but also trendy. It's like that perfect in between of being short but like also being long, and there's still lots of things that you can do with that particular style. So that's a good length for her too. Ooh, it looks even prettier curled. Very pretty. Now if only she can recreate this at home, because you know how you go to the salon and it looks one way and then you go home and yeah, you can't get that same look until you go back to the salon. Oh wow, he's cutting a lot of hair. Okay. So it looks like we're getting another lob going. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Alright, so now he's doing a blowout. And voila, another gorgeous lob. Seems like they always like to style these lobs like on an angle, just to kind of like create more volume and just like more, I don't know, appeal to the overall style. And with a lob, most of the time you can still wear like a ponytail if you wanted to. Alright, so next we got a bob haircut transformation. Looks like he's going super short, so it's more of like a classic bob. It's ending just around her neck length, so it's definitely like a classic style bob. And these hairdressers, like, I know this is a video and it's probably sped up, but these hairdressers cut so fast, it seems like. It's like, wow. I mean, obviously they've been doing it for years, but it's just like, it's amazing to sit and watch because it's just so like mesmerizing. Alright, so now he's kind of curling it, giving it some flair, hitting it with that hairspray. And she's got a center part, so that really just kind of helps the bob come together even more, because it's like classic chin length bob. Alright, so now we got another haircut situation going. We braided the hair first and then put rubber bands and then cut it. I never understood why hairdressers do that. Alright, so now he's evening out the bottom. Oh, and she's getting some color too. Okay. So she's got some color going. She's got some highlights. Ooh, that's hot. She's got some blonde highlights. Okay. That looks really pretty. All right, now they're curling it just to kind of give it a little bit more perfection, shaking it out. Wow, she had some really long hair before, but she looks much better and after. It's like all that weight is gone. Like the weight of the hair is just gone. Yeah, I like it. All right, so here's a woman with a short pixie cut, with a razor kind of shaven bottom, kind of like an undercut style. Very cute, very chic. Definitely a good look. With a hairstyle like this, you can wear it down or, you know, play around with it. All right, so now we see somebody getting their side shaven off. I couldn't even think for a second. All right, so this is okay. This is an interesting look so far. So are they just doing like razored sides, or I've never seen that before where they just, where it's like a circle. That's weird. All right, so next we have someone, she's got like an old ombre style, so she's probably gonna get a cut and some color with this transformation. All right, so he's taking it all off. Looks like a lob so far. Okay, lob. All right, so he's evening out the ends, making sure that it's all neat and clean. Oh, so I guess she's not getting color. So I guess she's just gonna keep the ombre ends, which is interesting because ombre isn't really, like, you don't see too many people rocking it nowadays, and that's like a drastic. Oh no, she did get some highlights. Okay, or maybe not. He might have just curled it. Yeah, I think he just curled it out. It looks pretty. It looks unique. All right, so we got another young lady. I think she's probably gonna get another lob. Lobs are very popular, it seems like. Like I said, it's the perfect in-between length because your hair is still kind of long, but it's still, you know, short. And you can have a lot of fun playing with it as far as like styles are concerned. All right, so he just kind of curled it, and yeah, she just has like a basic lob, shoulder length lob. If you don't know what a lob is, it's a long bob, pretty much. Oh, this pixie is hot. I love the eyeshadow, the blue eyeshadow, that how it hits like right with the hair color. Oh my gosh, so stunning. That blue streak in the hair is just gorgeous. Love, 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 love. So pretty. She's definitely got like some edginess to her overall style, especially with that blue streak. That's a style you can wear and just be like, you can't tell me nothing. All right, so here's another haircut. This one is really kind of edgy too. And I love her eyeshadow. All right, so this is another, I guess they're doing like a trimming of the pixie haircut. I guess that's what we're looking at here. So he's kind of shaping it up, hitting by her ears, the sides, the front. Because I mean, this woman, she already has like super short hair, so it's kind of like, how much shorter can, you know, her hair get? Oh, you know, it does look better though, and he's adding some color too. Okay, I see it coming together. So it looks like she might be getting like an icy, oh, wow. That's like an icy blonde. That's hot. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's better than it was before. I like it. All right, so now we're seeing, okay, this is a weird technique. What is this? Is he like thinning the hair out? It looks like he's like taking pieces of the hair and like thinning it out. But it's like, why? I I don't get this one so far anyway. Let me give it a few minutes, see what we're working with here. Nope, that was it. Yeah, I don't get that one. Like, why was he thinning the hair out? Alright, so the next one, it looks like he's doing a precise cutting of a bob. Or she, I can't tell if that's a guy or a girl yet. You can't see their face. I think it's a girl. Alright, next we got another trimming of a pixie cut or something. I will say that this color is really pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is wow. I love this color combination and the cut. That was really, really pretty. Alright, so now we're seeing another lining of a lob, or of a bob, rather. This one is like a silver, purple, lilac-y type color. And he's very slowly razoring and trimming the edges. It's just giving her a little lining of her bob. Alright. Oh man, we didn't get to see the front. Okay. So I think this is the last clip, and she has ombre hair, and it looks like he's gonna do another lob. See, those lobs, man, they are very popular. And looks like she's keeping her ends the same color too, just like the previous girl. Alright. Now her lob is a little bit longer in the front than it is in the back. Just a tiny bit, not a whole lot. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.